learners and students, welcome to the new session of Psychomaths. In today's session, we will be learning a trick related to the square root. But today there is something special for you all which you can apply in examinations. This methods have been tried and tested with many students and it has been very much fruitful. For all, not even one said it's not okay. All have approved this method that sir, this saves times to a greater extent. So, here is a trick of a square root long division method, any number with or without the decimals for you. Now, in this long division method, let us start with the number as 3025. 3025 is our first number for which we are supposed to find the square root. Now, what is the basic? The basic is to pair. The pairing is very much common to all. I need not say much about it. Since the whole number is 3025, we should always start pairing from your right side. We should always start the pairing from your right side. It means the first pair. Couple khelna hai. Here we are supposed to play couple. So 2 and 5 is the first pair. And 0 has 3. So the pairs are 30 and 25. Now students, to start with the long division method. The first pair is 30. The first pair is 30. We want such a number. We want to start with such a number whose square is just less than or equal to 30. We cannot take any number whose square is less than 30. It should be just less than 30 or equal to 30 will also do. So over here, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So here to start with, we will start with 5 square. Sir, why 5 square? Because 6 square is 36. It will exceed 30. So first we will take 5 square. So we need to write 5 5s and 5s over here. 5 5s is 25. 5 5s is 25. So check this. Please check it. Now 30 minus 25. 30 minus 25 is 5. And 5 plus 5 is 10. Now in this square rooting system, we are done with the first pair. Now we need not take only single digit below. Normal division, what happens? We just take a single digit below. But in the square root long division method, we need to take the whole pair downwards. That is now not only 2 but a complete number. The pair of 25 will appear over here. Now what we are supposed to do, see this is the first question, so I have taken a very basic number to be taken over here, to be solved. Now what we are supposed to do, let us say for example, if I take it as 101, 101. So I have to check 101 into 1. I have to check 101 into 1. What is 101 into 1? 101. So, but we won't be taking it as 101. Why? Because we need close to 525 or equal to 25. Remember, just lesser than 525 or equal to 525 will do. So let us check 2s. 102 2s. 102 2s will be 204. But sir, here this is time consuming. Yes, I'm not teaching you the normal division. I'm just getting through with a new way. It is very well said. Don't change the way you look. Just change the way you cook. But here I will say we are cooking the same thing, but we will look in a different manner. It's just a reverse of it. We are cooking the same, but we are looking in another way. How? See, check this hundreds place over here at hundreds place. It means, what I mean to say is, just cover this. Just cover this. What we can see is, what is left out? What is left out after highlighting? 1 and 5. So 1 and 5, we can click it as 1 5 is 5. So let us try out 5. Let us try out 5. So see, 105, 5. It is 5, 2 carry. Exactly, it is 525. So we can proceed ahead. So 105, if we are putting 5 in the units place over here, so 105, 5. So that is success. 105, 105, 5. Which comes to 525. So now check, since the remainder is 0, we did not need anything else. Directly we can mention it. The square root of 3025 is 55. Let us take our other number is 125. Let us say our other number is 125. Okay, now let's focus on pairing. Now let's focus on pairing. Now in pairing, we should always pair from the right hand side. We should always pair from a right hand side. So the first pair is 5, 2. But we will read it as 25. But for the second pair, 1 is alone. 1 is alone. So we should take 0 towards the left. So that the pair is complete. So that the pair is complete. Now let us start with it. A number whose square is less than or equal to 1. Obviously it is 1. So 1 1s and 1s. So see, what we get over here is, 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. We are done with the basic division, but now not only 2 but 25 will be taken down. 25 will be taken down. Now what shall I take at this blank space? If I take 2 1, if I take 1 over here, 21 into 1. If I take 2, then 22 into 2. But students, 22 into 2 will exceed 25. So we are forced to take 21 1s and 1s. So 21 1s is 21 itself. 21 1s is 21 itself. Now check. This total will be 22 and remainder is 4. Now, since the remainder is 4, it is not a perfect square. So we need to extend this. But how shall we extend this? Just put a decimal and put 3 pairs of 0. Why 3 pairs of 0? Because normally we are asked with 2 decimal rounding off. So after decimals, if we are having 3 pairs, we will be able to round it off. Since it was not a perfect square, so we got it something 11 point. But what 11 point? We need to bring down the pair of 0. We need to bring down the pair of 0. And 22 dash something. If I take 22 dash ke jagah pe 1, if I take 1 in place of dash, so 221 1s will be 221. If I take 2 in the place of this dash, so 222 into 2 will be 444, which will exceed 400. So obviously we need to take 221 ones and ones. That will be 221 itself. Now check, we are having 222 and dash is required. What over here? 179. Again we are checking for 2 decimals round off. Let us put double zero over here because a single zero won't be taken down. We will be taking double zero. Now what? Now check the beneficiary trick for y'all. Since in the earlier stage we went through with the table of 22, we will keep the 2 digits only. On the right hand side also we will cover 2 digits. Now what? Just check through with the tables of 22. Such a number which is less than or equal to 179. Just focus on the table of 22. 22. Shall we try 8s? 22 8s will be how much? 22 8s, 28s and 2 8s, sum it up. 176. So let us try by putting 8 at the place of dash. Yes, exactly. See, here you are saving time. You did not think what will be the number. You did not try with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Just bang on it. The closest to 179 will 99% will directly give you the number to which it is to be multiplied with. So this is 8s. It comes to 17824. Now check this, 2236 and then a dash over here 76. Now again both the zeros will be taken down, but if you check it, 2236, again we are checking with the table of 22. We are covering 3 digits, so cover 3 digits here also. But 22 doesn't go for 7 directly. 22 is larger than 7. So obviously this third digit is 0. My dear students, over here we have got the answer as per rounding off. The third digit is 0. Or else what you can do, when you're with the third decimal, when you're trying with the third decimal, directly try with 5s. If it is done with 5, then it will be rounded off. If it doesn't go with 5, it won't be rounded off. So over here, 125, the square root of 125 will be 11.180. Now students, let us quickly take the other numbers. Let us take the number is 2368.295. Now we are dealing with the decimal numbers. So how shall we work out? See, it is the numbers before decimal are to be paired from the right side. That is 68 and 23. This decimal is a border. Now after the decimal, we need to pair it from the left hand side. That is 29. And 0 will add it towards the right. Recollect, before decimal, if the pair is incomplete, we add 0 towards the left. But after decimal, if the pair is incomplete, we will add 0 towards the right. Now let us quickly get through with this. First pair is 23. A number whose square is less than or equal to 23 will be 4. 4 fours will be 16. 4 fours will be 16. Total is 8. Take the pair down. 768. Now just if you are not able to get what is to be done, just stick to the tables of 8 at the beginning and check. You will see 9s are 8 9s is 72. So check out for 8 9s are, that is 89 9s are 801. I said 99%. You will be closer to the number. Since 89 9s are is not satisfying our requirement, we will take 88 8s are. So it will be 88 8s are and 8s are. Check. Addition gives us 96 and a dash. So what the key lies is you need to hide certain digits. You need to hide certain digits and then you will be able to get it faster. So over here it will be 64, but here the decimal is already there. It will be 6429. It will be 6429. If you are comfortable with the tables of 96, you can hide it accordingly. One digit over here, one digit over here. Now check 9 and 64. It seems to be 7s will be feasible. See, 9 and 64 or 96 7s 96 7s is also close to it, but 96 7s will exceed 642. See, 96 7s will exceed 642, so we need to take 7s will not satisfy. 96 7s exceeds 642. 7s is exceeding 642, so we need to try with 966 6. See, 96 and 642 itself will give you a direct hint. So please hide certain digits. With the tables you are comfortable with it, you can try it out. So 6 and 3 will be carry, 9 and 3 will be carry, 57. So see, it is satisfying 6 6. So it is 5 7 9 6. This will be 972. A dash over here and 50 will be taken down. Now again check with the tables of 97. Cover the two digits on both the sides. Don't focus on 9 7s or 9 7s and then it is 97 7s. It won't satisfy. 97 7s will surely exceed 633. Just focus on the numbers which are visible without highlighting, without covering. So 97 7s will exceed 633. So we need to take 9726 6. See, this is saving time. Rather than trying 4s, 5s, 6s, it will directly bring it to the point. So 6 and 3 carry, 5 and 1 carry, 3 and 4 carry. It is 5 8 3 5 6. So again it is 6. Again it is 6. It is 5 8 3 5 6. Now it will be 9 7 3 2 over here. Now since we need the third decimal for rounding off, we need to put 2 zeros. Now what you can do is, since we are onto the third decimal, directly try 5s, or if not, if you want exact, then keep the tables of 97 consistent and cover 3 digits both the side. This will help you out. Or since if you are with the third digit, since you are with the third digit, directly try FISA. That is 97325 into 5, because in rounding off we are not concerned whether it is FISA or above, which exactly number it is. If it is just FISA, it means any number above is divisible or lesser than the requirement. So 52216163. So yes, FISA is feasible. So over here our answer would be square root of 2368.295. Since FISA is working out, it is lesser than the required. Now see, for rounding off, whether it is 6a, 7a doesn't matter. But if FISA does not satisfy, answer will be 48.66 itself. But since FISA is satisfying, so we will be directly rounded off to 0.67. Okay students, I hope everybody has got this trick. Please share the knowledge, and thank you for watching Psychomaths.